student, welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area Branch. Again student, lesson 1, number system, exercise 1G. Here student, question number 6. 6 का first number. If two information is given here, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Find the value of A का power B plus B का power A. The whole power is -1. Okay student, so first of all put the value here. A is equal to 2, that means 2 का power 3 plus B is equal to 3, that means 3 का power 2, and the whole power is -1. So here 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, we know that, plus and 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9, and the whole power is -1. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 to the power -1, and finally a student, we know that a to the power minus x is equal to 1 by a to the power x according to the laws of exponent. So 17 to the power -1 is equal to 1 by 17. This is your final answer. Look at here student, question number 8, second one. 64 divided by 125, the whole power is -2 by 3, plus 256 divided by 266 to 5, the whole power is -1, -1 by 4, and 3 by 7, the whole power is 0. Okay student, here 4 divided by 5, the whole power is 3. Look at here, 4 divided by 5, that means 4 का power cube, 4 का power cube is equal to 64, and 5 का power cube is equal to 125, and the power is -2 by 3, that means this power is multiplied here 2 by 3. In which property student? We know that a to the power x and the whole power is y, then we can write a to the power x into y. If power to the power, that means both are in the form of multiplication. Okay, so 3 into -2 by 3 plus 256 divided by 625, 4 divided by 5, the whole power is 4 into -1 by 4. Again same logic, 4 to the power 4 is equal to 256, and 5 to the power 4 is equal to 625, plus we know that student, a to the power 0, anything to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is always 1. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 3 by 7 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Directly we can write one value. Okay, here 3 and 3 is cancelled, 4 and 4 is cancelled. So 4 by 5, the whole power is -2, plus 4 by 5, and the whole power is -1, plus 1. We know that if power is negative, then we can make the reciprocal form. Suppose a to the power -x is equal to, again same logic, a to the power -x is equal to 1 by a to the power x. That means 1 by this value, so we can write here 5 by 4, the whole power is 2, plus again this is the 5 by 4, and the whole power is +1, +1. Okay, then after 5 by 5 का square is equal to 25, divided by 4 का square is equal to 16, plus 5 का power 1, here is the positive 1, that means 1, so we can write 5 divided by 4 plus 1, so 1 by 1. Take LCM student, here is the 16 is the LCM, so 25 plus 20, because 4 divided by 16, 4 is multiplied by 5, so 5 into 4 is equal to 20, plus here is 16 is multiplied in 1, so here is the 16. Okay, then 1, 6 or 5, 11, 1, 2, 2, 4, and 1, 5, or carry 1, 6, 61 by 16. Okay student, so this is your final answer. Okay student, I hope student you will understand these different type of questions, 6 का 1 and 8 का 2. The next question is question number 9 का second, big bracket 5 small bracket 8 का power 1 by 3 plus 27 whole to the power 1 by 3 and the whole power is 3 and complete power, that means main bracket the power is 1 by 4. Okay student, so here 5, we know that 8 can be written as 2 का power 3 into 1 by 3. Take the small bracket. 27 can be written as 3 का power 3 into whole power is 1 by 3 and complete power is 3 and 1 by 4. Okay. The second step is 5. Here 3 and 3 is cancelled and here 3 is and 3 is cancelled. So 5 2 का power 1 plus 3 का power 1 bracket close, then whole power is 3 and the complete power is 1 by 4. Okay, then after here 2 plus 3, 2 का power 1 is 2 and 3 का power 1 is 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So here student 5 bracket 5 का power cube and the whole power is not here. We can write 5 is this form. Here is the 5. Okay, don't write here student. Here is the 5 because 5 is given in the main bracket. Okay, like this 1 by 4. So 5 bracket 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 का power 3 into 1 by 4. So 5 into 5 का power 3, then the whole bracket is 1 by 4. Here student 5 का power 1, we know that if base is equal then power is added. So we can write 5 का power 4 and whole power is 1 by 4. That means 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. 4 is cancelled. So 5 का power 1 and your answer is 5. Okay student, this is your answer. 5 is the close bracket, means bigger bracket. Under bigger bracket we can put the value of 5. Okay. Second one, question number 10. 10 का second. Here student, different information is given here and here is the operation division. Division is the operation. Okay. 8 to the power minus 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 25 to the power minus 5 by 4 divided by 32 to the power minus 2 by 5 into 125 to the power minus 5 by 6 is equal to root 2. Prove that. That means this is your proof. Prove that. Okay student, prove that this value is equivalent to this value. Okay student, so we will start from LHS side. 2 to the power minus 1 by 2, this value can be written as 2 का power 3 into minus 2 by 3 into 2 का power 1 by 2 into 5 का square. We know that 5 का square is 25. So 2 into minus 5 by 4 bracket close. Here is the division. Again 2 का power 5. We know that 2 का power 5 is 32 into minus 2 by 5 into this value is 5 का power cube. 5 का power cube is equal to 125 into minus 5 by 6. Okay student, here 3 and 3 cancel. 2 2 ja 4. Here 5 and 5 is cancelled and 3 2 ja 6. Okay student, then after 2 to the power minus 2, here is the 2 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 5 to the power minus 5. Okay, 5 to the power minus 5 close bracket. Here is the division. Here is the minus 5 by 2 division. Again student, 2 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power minus 5 by 2 close. If you remove the division form, then it will be in divided. Suppose here student remember the concept, x divided by y. Okay, so this value can be written as x. If suppose divide is converted into multiplication, then this value is automatically 1 by y. So we can write here x into 1, x divided by y. According to this format, put the value here. 2 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 5 to the power minus 5 by 2, bracket close. Here is the division, put here multiplication, and this value will be in denominator. So we can write here 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power minus 5 by 2. Okay student, look at here, this value divided by this value, so this value and this value is cancelled, and this value and this value is cancelled. Okay, so only one value is remaining, 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 1. So here 2 to the power 1 by 2 is the final answer, because 2 to the power 1 into 1 is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 2, and this value can be written as under root 2, because if suppose here is nothing, here is the only 2 value is hidden in the square root, then this will be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2. So this is your proof. Look at here student, proof is the root 2, here is also a root 2. Okay student, I hope student you will understand 9, question number 9 का second and question number 10 का first. Question number 10 का 3. Here student 7 81 to the power 1 by 4 plus 256 to the power 1 by 4 and middle bracket 1 by 4 and the complete bracket is 4. Okay student, and this value is equal to this value, that means you have to prove that this value is equal to this value. Here 7 middle bracket 81, 3 का power 4, we know that 3 का power 4 is equal to 81 into 1 by 4 plus here is the 4 का power 4 into 1 by 4, middle bracket is closed, and the 1 by 4 and the complete bracket here is the 4. Okay student, so 7 4 4 cancel, 4 4 cancel, so 3 to the power 1 plus 4 to the power 1, here is the 1 by 4 and the complete bracket is 4. Okay student, so 7, this value is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, 7 to the power 1 by 4, and here the complete value is 4. Look at here, 3 का power 1 is equal to 3 and 4 का power 1 is equal to 4, so 3 plus 4 7, 7 का power 1 by 4 and the whole bracket is 4. Okay, then if power is 4, here the power is 4 and this 4 is the power of both term, means this term as well as this term. So we can write here 7 का power 4, that means here the power is 1, so 1 into 4, 7 का power 4 into 7 to the power 1 by 4 into 4. So here student 4 and 4 is cancelled, then 7 का power 4 into 7 का power 1, so 7 का power 4 plus 1 5. We know that student, if base are equal, then power is added, so 5 to the power 7 to the power 5, and your answer is 16807. If you multiply 7 times of 5, then we will get this answer. Okay student, so 10 का 3 question. I hope student you will understand this question. Your homework is make exercise 1G, question number 1 to 10. Okay student, this is your homework, and do fair. Okay student, make exercise 1G. Question number 1 to 10 and do fair. If you have any problem, if you have any query, ask the question. Okay student.